What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines.
And this is Andrew.
And today we are continuing the Daytona 675 race bike build series with an overview and installation of the Bonamici Racing rear sets.
Yeah, this is something I'm personally very excited about because, well, for a few reasons. Bonamici's got really nice stuff, really nice racing products, especially the rear sets. And the Daytona, I don't like the rear sets. They're the factory ones. I don't like the factory ones on there. They're tough to use. The pegs are junk. The shifter is in a bad location, so I'm hoping this fixes that. And it's going to look sick. And I'm going to go with GP shift or race shift. So upshifts are now downward motion. So that should be interesting to try out.
Yeah. So he's going to go with the reverse shift. So it'll take him a little bit to get used to. But for those of you wondering why you would switch from standard shift, aka one down, 5 up, to reverse shift, which is 1 up, 5 down, the benefits really are when you're...
What I was struggling with.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so basically on the Daytona, I was struggling mid-corner, really either direction, but like right corners, shifting up was really tough, like to speed out of the corner because you're hanging off the bike and the foot was like slightly angled and the shifter is like not, it's very far inward on the bike, so it's really hard to hit, especially to get underneath of it and then hit it up. So it'll be a lot easier to just put your foot over top of it, you know, get over farther on the bike and then just shift, you know, downwards motion to go up shifts. So it'll be a lot easier.
Yeah, it'll make a big difference. The other benefit there is when you're doing quick transitions from right to left, it is much easier to press down on the shifter than it is to get your foot under and click it up. So that'll smooth that out for him as well. Yeah. But this stuff is, we cannot speak volumes about how nice this Bonamici is. Their slogan on their box, which I'll show you, is jewelry for your bike, and that literally could not be more true. This stuff is absolutely beautiful, and it's no surprise coming from an Italian manufacturer, if we're being honest.
Yeah, for sure. The stuff's insanely nice, and they have more than this. You can check out the stuff on the website once we have it up, but they have like dash protectors and rear sets, of course, and levers that are all really nice, CNC'd machined, and they look insanely nice, actually.
Yeah. We are in the process of getting this uploaded to our website, so it may not be up when this video goes live, but
soon, though. Very soon.
Yeah, very soon. But this stuff is absolutely gorgeous, and we honestly can't wait to get it on the Daytona.
Yeah, and it will actually track test it. So, and I'll be able to give you my thoughts from going from a stock set to something like this. So it'll be interesting.
Yeah, see if it actually makes a difference.
Yeah.
But we did get some pretty nice B-roll of this stuff, so we'll show you that now, and then we'll hop into the installation.
All right, see you there.
So I'm going to install the right side, the throttle side rear set, and Andrew's going to install the left side, clutch side rear set. Now, Bonamici was nice enough to pre-assemble some of this for us. Everything's left really loose, so it shows you what it's supposed to look like, and then you can just get it bolted up and snug everything down. So what we're going to do is, I've already set aside everything, but we're going to take a look at the parts diagram. It's printed on the back side as well for each side. You can see this is the shifter side because it has that shifting arm, but this is the brake side. And we're gonna take a look at it, figure out what's already been used for assembly, and gather everything else. And we're gonna do a little pre-assembly here. So we have our bolts, our rear set peg, drops down, our little Delrin slider cap there. And we have a washer, which is going to slide in like that. We have a little spacer there. That's going to slide in. Have a little tension spring, cotter pin that goes through there. And then we're going to bring the rear set over. And that is more or less what it should look like once you're completely assembled.
Start it up. lit.
it.